Hello and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I had a really random idea to try something that is really random. For some reason I had the idea to use my eyelash perm stuff that I bought in my eyebrows to see if I can like make them go straight up to get like the feathered full look. Either this is gonna not do anything or it's gonna be awesome. And I'm hoping for the awesome. Also, I wish my parts that I've been growing in for like 500 years would hurry up and grow, and so I don't have to fill in my eyebrows. So let's take that off because my eyebrows don't want to grow. Bye, brows. Oh, now I'm bald. I have hairs. They're super sparse. It's so annoying. Anyways, that's not what this video is even about. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on for 15 minutes and see how it looks. Okay, we're gonna take this out. I feel like my skin is forever dyed pink. Now we shall put the blue on. Whoa, just got like 8 gallons on my spoolie. Beautiful. I'm putting in a little perm in paper, like parchment paper, kind of, on my brow so it doesn't move while it's waiting. Okay, bye. It's been 15 minutes. Whoa, do you see my... What if they is that how I want them to be? They're like stuck to my forehead. I'm gonna have some poofy brows. Lastly is the nourishing stuff. Ooh, that feels good. I think I need to cut my brows. They're kind of long. Okay, I'm back with my crazy eyebrow. I think it worked. Okay, let's compare. Wait, I need to let these dry. Actually, I need to cut these. This is what it looks like. Crazy. It worked. This is what my normal brow looks like. I'm gonna fill in this section, see what it looks like. All I use to do my eyebrows is this, and I just do this little section that hasn't grown in completely. And I just lightly coat the hairs that are already there. Whoa. My eyebrow's a little red, but oh my gosh. I'm literally shook how poofy and feathery they look compared to this one. Let's see with my bangs down. My bangs are a mess. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. I'm so happy. So, that worked. I look kind of crazy because I only got one big eyebrow and one small eyebrow, but I'm gonna do the other one. Yay! Guys, look at my brows. This one's kind of red, but I just finished it. Holy cow! Holy cow! They look so good! I'm so happy. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I'm actually literally surprised that it looks so good. Like, all I did, besides the perm, you saw, was fill in this little tiny section that's bare. Yay! 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 So, that's it. That's the verdict. It worked really good. And I'm very surprised and shook. That's the only word I can think of that describes how I feel right now about this. Shook. I love it. Ah! Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye! Pew. Yes! 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 I thought of another word that describes how I feel. Mind blown. Or eyebrows blown. Eyebrows snatched off.